I'm excited to let you know about a new workshop that I have in the works. We have heard so much about the Timesup movement and the Me Too movement, and I've even spoken about it on Good Morning America, right? So I want to give us women an opportunity to learn how to speak to that movement and be ready when time is really up. Because I want us to be able to know our worth, speak our value, earn what we're worth, and earn the recognition and the acknowledgement and the positions that we're worth. And that all comes with standing up, speaking out, and doing it in a way that people hear and get it. So I'm putting together a 2-day workshop to teach you exactly how to do that, how to have a presence, how to know what your value is, how to put together presentations and meetings and conversations that earn you the respect and show people the value that you bring to the table. So please contact me, stay tuned. It's going to be at the middle of the summer, probably last week in July, or maybe the first week in August. I'm still planning it, but I'm so excited that I just needed to tell you. And I want you to get in on the ground floor. It's going to be 2 days in New York City. Stay tuned, message me, comment if you're interested. I'm so excited to bring this to you because it is time to really put our mouth behind the Time's Up movement. Talk to you soon.